All right, so you've fallen in love with the house. It's the perfect one. And you make your mortgage application, and the lender says, you know what? You need a cosigner. Hey, I'm Jason Scott. I'm a mortgage broker with TMG, the mortgage group. So a cosigner is someone who's coming on to the mortgage application with you. And they should be on title with you, because if they're coming in for the liability and the responsibility around that, they should come in on the asset and be on title. Now the question is, should you have a cosigner, and does it make sense? So there are times where there's like technical stuff in underwriting, like say someone is just shy of being 2 years self-employed, or they get overtime, but they haven't got the full 2 years in for showing overtime income, where it could make sense to have a cosigner, and it's typically a parent who comes in for a year or two to help you get that mortgage. So that's an entirely different scenario than you have no hope of affording this property without help from a parent. And in a scenario like that, I would caution someone and say, do you really want to buy this property? You know, you're setting yourself up for failure, or maybe just creating tension between you and, say, your parents, especially if you run into a situation where you can't afford the property. Because if you're not making the payments, they have to. So really think twice before co-signing. It can make sense, but it can also make for some awkward family dinners. So give me a call, Jason Scott, TMG, the mortgage group, 780-720-2490.